Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to play Guitar Hero World Tour on your personal computer. First, you will need to download and install a suitable emulator or game client. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, which typically include at least 4 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor. Next, acquire the necessary game files for Guitar Hero World Tour. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience, so take your time with each step. Once the game is ready, it is time to connect your guitar controller. Most controllers connect via a standard USB cable, or you might need a wireless adapter for certain models. After plugging it in, your computer may automatically install necessary drivers. If not, you might need to manually install them from the manufacturer's website. Always confirm that your computer recognizes the device before launching the game, ensuring a seamless connection. With your controller connected, dive into the in-game settings to optimize your experience. Start by adjusting graphics and audio to suit your system, aiming for 60 frames per second. Crucially, calibrate your audio-visual latency. This ensures notes appear and sound perfectly in sync, often requiring a few test runs. Finally, map your guitar's buttons within the game's controller options, customizing it to your preferred layout for maximum comfort. Even with careful setup, you might encounter minor issues, such as your controller not being detected. A quick restart of the game or your computer often resolves these. For more complex problems, online communities and forums are excellent resources, offering solutions for various hardware and software combinations. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering Guitar Hero World Tour, so keep playing and have fun shredding those virtual notes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.